Hi everyone, it's Clay Horst with OnScene Solutions here today to show you about the new SafeTSystem's Folding Hand Cart for ease of SCBA cylinder transport. The traditional holder carrier holds two bottles securely in place for transport. The handle simply locks in place, maintaining the cylinders for ease of transport. The new folding hand cart is designed to hold 8 cylinders during transport. The holder carriers easily lock in place by simply turning the handle. They lock into the rear locking channel. We have upper and lower guides to help maintain everything in place. The cart can be laid back for cylinder filling, removal, and installation. When complete, the holder carriers can be removed, and the cart can then be folded up to put inside of the truck. Folded in position, into a nice compact design that will fit into most compartments.